Ubus na.
Okay, sige. Followed by Renard Adco. So, let's give a round of applause to Renard. Para to Renard. Wow, that's my boy, pretty boy. Dance. Thank you. Wow, okay. Face the camera. One more.
Ano? Pakilan ba siya? Pakilan.
Okay, the third one. For the 7 roses, let's give it up to Bernard Torres Adco. Wow, nice dance. Keep dancing. Okay, tapos camera para mamaya. Makikita ko sa FB, mga yan. Ma-upload yan. Okay, once again, happy new year for all of you. Then, minute for the 7 roses. Para by
Yan.
Andre Adco. Wow. Dance. Wow naman, no? Yan, no?
Yan. Video yan, ha?
Enjoy sa ating Dana. Happy birthday, Dana. Look pa naman. Look up. Parang look up. Okay, the big one. Next, Rose Diego Castaneda. Yan, no? Wow, nice friends. Nakakauto na, eh. Hindi mag-auto na yan. Mag-auto ko ng dalilan, di ba? Tapos na. Kasi may mga ninja people natin dyan. Mga first people. Mga favors. Kasi ano na gagano, ayaw magpano, picture. Okay, so the first one, followed by Rose Bedin. Ayun na. Wow. Wala pa uwi. Tingnan mo. Mr. Poggy, eh.
Ati sa amin na. Yan.
And then, last but not the least, Rose Daddy Dan Castaneda. Nakalagay rin tayo yung info nga, Super Virgin and Sweetest, Kuya. Sumayaw pala yung kay Kuya Bebin. And then, daddy in the world, the best daddy in the world, si Dan. So Dan, wow! Para ko sabi. Of course, ngayon tayo makadawa sa the world's participants. Para po picture taking kami sa ulit. Ayan, picture taking po. Kuya Devin, picture taking po kasama po si ate. Daddy, picture taking po. Lahat ng kids, all yun eh. Yung tatlo. Sana kayo picture taking na yung studio na yan. Opo, mga 7 roses po. Pwede rin, kamawan Kuya Diego, right? Diego. Then after this, followed by 7 treasures. Ayan, so definitely po mga all participants sa 7 treasures. Okay. One more. Look up. Look up. And then look up. Wow, very good. One more. Rocky mode. Rocky. 1, 2, 3, say cheese. Money. Okay, one more para po sa mga sabios na po natin. Thank you very much. Okay, so, rest mo na, rest. Next, which is the 7 treasures.